I have a couch problem. Whenever I sit on my couch and need to charge my stuff, I have all of these cables that are coming out here. This is a mess and I can't really use my stuff while it's charging because the cables don't reach far enough. This is a Lovesac. It's a modular couch, and so there's little holes where all the pieces clamp together. Lovesac makes these little power hubs that you can put in those holes, but they're $200. I'm not doing that. I can just 3D print one. I found this power hub I can print on printables, and they work with these extensions I got on Amazon. These took about 24 hours to print, so I'm gonna go check them out. And it's all done. First, we gotta get all these supports off. This is looking really good, but I hope that this part fits. Please go in your hole. Yes! Just got it installed, and it looks amazing. You can't even see it at all with the cushion down. I can just tuck the cables in the side when I'm not using it. Just saved $200.